Pursuing a career move into electrical work is a positive step. Firstly, networking and seeking referrals is important. Reach out to people in the industry. Attend industry events and use professional networking platforms to connect with potential employers. Ask current colleagues and acquaintances if they know of any job openings. Secondly, highlight transferable skills. Emphasize any relevant skills gained in previous roles, such as problem solving, attention to detail, and working independently. Showcase your ability to work with different tools and equipment. Thirdly, showcase your commitment by diligently completing an electrician's course and obtaining certification. Consider volunteering or taking on projects that demonstrate electrical skills. Fourthly, consider employment options, for example, in a manufacturing facility. Research opportunities within the current workplace by speaking to a supervisor or human resources department. Highlight how electrical skills could benefit the facility. For another option, consider the residential field. Identify reputable electrical contractors in the area and apply for positions. Showcase an interest in working with residential customers. Fifthly, explore apprenticeships and training programs. Investigate local unions or electrical training programs that offer apprenticeships or additional training. This can provide valuable on-the-job experience and enhance qualifications. Sixthly, be patient and persistent. Finding a job in the electrical field can take time and effort. Stay positive, continue networking, and be persistent in applying for positions. In a rural location, the job market for electricians may be more limited. Be prepared to travel or relocate if necessary. While 43 is a mature age to start a new career, it should not be a barrier. Highlight experience, skills, and willingness to learn. The electrician work can be physically demanding. Ensure that one is physically capable of performing the tasks required.